In this video, you'll learn how to undo changes in Airtable so you can quickly fix mistakes and get your data back to where you want it. Whether you accidentally deleted a record, changed a value, or just want to step back through a series of edits, knowing how to undo safely will save you a lot of time and stress. Let's start by getting into Airtable. On your computer, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any modern browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top, type airtable.com and press enter. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account so you can see your workspaces and bases. Once you're signed in, you'll see a list of your bases. Click on the base where you made the changes you want to undo. A base is like a project or database that holds all your tables. After your base opens, make sure you're looking at the correct table. Tables are the tabs along the top or side of your base, and each one holds related information. Click on the table where you made the change so that the grid with your records and fields is visible. Now that you're in the right place, let's undo your last action. On a Windows computer, press the Control key and the Z key together. On a Mac, press the Command key and the Z key together. You'll want to press both keys at the same time. This is the standard undo shortcut that works in many applications, and Airtable supports it as well. When you press this shortcut, Airtable will undo the most recent change you made in that base and table. That could be editing a cell, deleting a row, changing a field value, or a similar action. After you use the shortcut, take a quick look at the cell, row, or area you were working in to confirm that the change has been reversed. If you need to go back more than one step, you can keep undoing multiple recent changes in order. Just press the same shortcut again, Control plus Z on Windows or Command plus Z on Mac. Each time you press it, Airtable will step one action further back in time. Move slowly and watch the grid as you undo so you can stop when things look the way you want them. A helpful tip is to pause briefly after each undo, especially if you've made a lot of edits. This gives you a chance to visually confirm what changed and prevents you from going back further than you intended. If you do go back one step too many, you can usually move forward again by redoing your last action using the redo shortcut in your system or Airtable's menu options. Remember that undo applies to recent actions in the base you're currently viewing, so always double check that you're in the correct base and table before using it. With this simple keyboard shortcut and a bit of attention, you can safely experiment in Airtable, knowing you can quickly roll back your changes when you need to.